Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into the top high-paying freelancing skills for 2024. Whether you're a seasoned freelancer looking to pivot or just starting out, this guide will help you discover the most lucrative opportunities in the gig economy. From AI and blockchain to R or VAR and business development, we've got you covered. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated with the latest tips and trends. Freelancing has become a powerful force in the global economy, offering professionals the flexibility to work on their own terms while earning competitive incomes. As we step into 2024, the demand for certain freelancing skills has surged, creating lucrative opportunities for those who possess them. In this video, we'll explore the top high-paying freelancing skills that are set to dominate the market in 2024. Number 1. Artificial Intelligence AI and Machine Learning (ML). Artificial intelligence and machine learning continue to revolutionize industries, making them some of the most sought-after skills in the freelance market. Companies are eager to leverage artificial intelligence and machine learning to optimize operations, enhance customer experiences, and drive innovation. Freelancers skilled in artificial intelligence and machine learning can expect to work on projects ranging from developing predictive algorithms to creating smart applications, with earnings that reflect the high demand for their expertise. The approximate monthly earnings, $8,000 to $15,000. Freelancers' key skills are required in artificial intelligence and machine learning: Python, TensorFlow, PyTorch. Data engineering and feature selection. Natural language processing. Computer vision. Deep learning architectures. Reinforcement learning. Model deployment and scaling. Number 2. Blockchain development. Blockchain technology is more than just the foundation of cryptocurrencies. It's being adopted across various sectors, including finance, supply chain, healthcare, and more. Freelancers with blockchain development skills can command high fees as they help organizations implement secure, decentralized systems. The approximate monthly earnings, $7,000 to $14,000. Freelancers' key skills are required in blockchain development: Solidity, Ethereum, Hyperledger. Smart contract development. Decentralized application (dApp) development. Cryptography and security protocols. Tokenomics and decentralized finance. Blockchain architecture and consensus algorithms. Number 3. Cybersecurity. As cyber threats continue to evolve and become more sophisticated, the need for robust cybersecurity measures has never been greater. Cybersecurity professionals play a crucial role in protecting organizations from data breaches, cyber attacks, and other digital threats. Freelancers with expertise in cybersecurity are highly valued across industries, from finance and healthcare to government and technology sectors. The approximate monthly earnings, $6,500 to $12,000. Freelancers' key skills are required in cybersecurity: ethical hacking and penetration testing. Security information and event management. Network security and encryption. Risk assessment and compliance. Incident response and disaster recovery. Security architecture and design. Identity and access management. Number 4. Data science and analytics. Data science and analytics have become indispensable for businesses seeking to harness the power of data to drive decision-making and gain a competitive edge. Freelancers with expertise in this field help organizations transform raw data into actionable insights, enabling them to optimize operations, predict trends, and make informed decisions. The approximate monthly earnings, $6,000 to $13,000. Freelancers' key skills are required in data science and analytics. R. Python, SQL. Data visualization tools like Tableau and Power BI. Statistical analysis and predictive modeling. Big data technologies like Hadoop and Spark. Data mining and cleaning. Machine learning integration. Business intelligence solutions. Number 5. Digital marketing. Digital marketing is essential for businesses to build brand awareness, reach target audiences, and drive conversions in today's digital-first world. Freelancers with expertise in digital marketing play a pivotal role in crafting strategies that leverage online platforms to achieve business goals. From search engines to social media, digital marketers use a variety of tools and techniques to enhance a brand's online presence and engage with customers. The approximate monthly earnings, $5,000 to $10,000. Freelancers' key skills are required in digital marketing. Search engine optimization (SEO). Pay-per-click PPC advertising. Social media strategy and management. Content marketing and copywriting. Email marketing automation. Analytics and conversion rate optimization. Influencer and affiliate marketing. Number 6. UX/UI design. UX user experience and UI user interface design are critical components of product development, ensuring that digital products are not only visually appealing but also easy to use and navigate. Freelancers specializing in UX/UI design focus on creating seamless and intuitive experiences for users, enhancing overall satisfaction and engagement with the product. Their work is vital in making sure that the end user finds value in the product, which can lead to higher customer retention and conversion rates. The approximate monthly earnings, $4,500 to $9,500. Freelancers' key skills are required in UX/UI design. Prototyping and wireframing tools, for example, Figma, Sketch. User research and usability testing. Interaction design principles. Responsive and mobile-first design. Information architecture. User journey mapping. Visual design and branding. Number 7. Web and mobile app development. Web and mobile app development remains one of the most sought-after freelance skills in 2024. As businesses and individuals continue to rely on digital platforms for operations, communication, and entertainment, the demand for skilled developers has skyrocketed. Freelancers in this field are responsible for creating functional, user-friendly, and visually appealing websites and mobile applications that meet specific client needs and enhance the user experience. The approximate monthly earnings, $5,500 to $11,000. Freelancers' key skills are required in web and mobile app development. JavaScript, React, Angular. Mobile app development iOS, Android. Backend development Node, J's, Ruby on Rails. API development and integration. Front-end frameworks Vue.js, Bootstrap. Cloud integration AWS, Azure. DevOps and continuous integration or continuous deployment. Number 8. Video production and editing. Video production and editing are increasingly critical in the digital age, where visual content is a primary means of communication and engagement. Freelancers in this field are responsible for creating compelling video content that captures attention, conveys messages effectively, and drives engagement. From corporate videos and commercials to YouTube content and social media clips, video production and editing encompass a wide range of services that cater to various needs. The approximate monthly earnings, $4,000 to $8,500. Freelancers' key skills are required in video production and editing. Video editing software Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro. Motion graphics and animation. Storyboarding and script writing. Color grading and sound design. 3D animation and visual effects VFX. Live stream production and editing. Cinematography and camera operation. Number 9. Cloud computing. As businesses migrate to cloud environments, cloud computing skills are more valuable than ever. Freelancers who can design, deploy, and manage cloud infrastructure are in high demand. The approximate monthly earnings, $6,000 to $12,000. Freelancers' key skills are required in cloud computing. Cloud architecture and infrastructure management. DevOps and CI/CD pipelines. Containerization Docker, Kubernetes. Cloud security and compliance. Serverless computing AWS Lambda, Azure Functions. Cloud automation tools Terraform, Ansible. Hybrid and multi-cloud environments. Number 10. Copywriting and content creation. Effective communication is key to any successful business. Freelancers who excel in crafting persuasive and engaging content can help brands connect with their audience and drive conversions. The approximate monthly earnings, $4,000 to $7,500. Freelancers' key skills are required in copywriting and content creation, SEO copywriting and keyword research, content strategy and planning, creative storytelling and brand voice development, editing and proofreading, technical writing and documentation, script writing for video content, email marketing and newsletters. Number 11. Augmented reality and virtual reality development. Augmented reality and virtual reality are rapidly growing fields with applications in gaming, education, healthcare, and more. Freelancers with skills in creating immersive experiences can find lucrative opportunities. The approximate monthly earnings, $6,500 to $12,500. Freelancers' key skills are required in augmented reality and virtual reality. Unity, Unreal Engine. 3D modeling and animation. ARKit, AR Core, and other AR/VR SDKs. User experience UX design for immersive environments. Interaction design and haptics. Mixed reality MR development. scripting and game development. Number 12. Sales and business development. Freelancers who can generate leads, close deals, and drive business growth are invaluable. In a competitive market, companies are willing to pay well for those who can boost their bottom line. The approximate monthly earnings, $5,000 to $10,500. Freelancers' key skills are required in sales and business development, lead generation and prospecting, sales funnel management, negotiation and closing techniques, CRM software Salesforce, HubSpot, business development strategy, account management and client relations, market research and competitive analysis. Conclusion of this video. Freelancers with the right skills can command impressive earnings in 2024. Whether you're a tech guru, a creative professional, or a business strategist, there are high-paying opportunities waiting for you. By continuously upgrading your skills and staying abreast of industry trends, you can thrive in the dynamic world of freelancing and achieve financial success. Thanks for watching our deep dive into the top high-paying freelancing skills for 2024. We hope you found this guide valuable and are inspired to explore these exciting opportunities. If you enjoyed the video, give us a thumbs up and share it with anyone who might benefit from these insights. Have any questions or want to share your thoughts on the skills we discussed? Drop a comment below, we'd love to hear from you. For more content on freelancing tips, career growth, and industry trends, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.